YouTube. Man, what's good with y'all, man? I'm back to bring y'all another banger in the day of my life.
Extra.
Hey, today it's a little rainy. Something slight in Ohio, just something slight. Ain't raining too hard, but it's drizzling. But yeah, I got y'all with just gonna be putting up some shots that might gonna be going too hard for it, because it's wet outside. Not gonna be going too hard. And I'm gonna see how many free throws I can really do in like a minute. Like, see how many free throws I can bang. Like, I want to be way better at basketball, and I just want to have my game and my life just better by the summertime or August. You feel me? So yeah, I just want to see. I'm just want to gauge where I'm at right now. Go and gauge where I'm at right now, and I'm gonna get straight into it. You feel me? I'm gonna get straight into it.
It's been months, it's been too long, baby, you know. Fuck what you're doing now, quit doing that right now, baby. Got better things for you to do, got better things for you to see, got a better place for you to live, and a better place for you to be. Oh, baby, I'm honest. This kid says that you're mad when I'm on it. Running to the city, no, I'm on it. Oh, haven't seen it. Can't see your remedy. know you're drunk. It's 3 a.m. and I know you're on your way home from somewhere that's poppin'. I know you've been dropping. It's harder than home. To that same song it goes. No, no, no. Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance. I was something friend. Baby, oh, take me if I like.
Hey, to walk back from the court, like every single time it's therapeutic. Every single time I walk back from the court, it's therapeutic. I remember like walking miles and miles with my dad and my brother in a dark night. Just give me glimpses of that. If y'all want a story time about that, let me know down in the comment section. And if you made it this far, give me a lock emoji down in the comment section as well, bro. Just like show your support and also let me know that you watched the video fully. And yeah, it's like every single time I just walk back from the court, it's therapeutic. I just get to thinking, reminiscing about my past, reminiscing about the future, like what things can be, what things are going to be. It all just relates back to me just thanking God for bringing me here, for bringing me to a town like Reynoldsburg. I'm just thankful. I'm grateful too. I'm just thankful and grateful. That's why I can't quit, to be honest. I cannot quit. You see, I be posting like every single day. I gotta post something. No matter how long, how short, I gotta post something. I gotta keep grinding. I gotta make it. Real talk. I'm going to make it. Real talk. Man. And also, bro, I was trying like set up like the angle. I was trying to set up the angle for like the video. And bro, it snapped off. Like y'all can see, it snapped. Like y'all can see, it snapped off. So I can't connect it no more. But it's cool though. My mom gave me this chain. Mom, if you watching this, I love you. My mom gave me this chain, and represents Leo the Lion. I'm not like, I don't even know. This symbolizes Leo the Lion. I haven't like thought deep into it because she gave me it for a reason. But I can't wear it no more. But it's cool. I think I'll be alright. I'll be alright. But dang, man, like dang. But I'm gonna give me a new chain like that. I'm gonna get a chain of that caliber too, like a chain that goes like down my chest. I feel like those right there are the best types of chains. Like that type of chain, like I think Black Boy Max, he actually had a chain like that too. I just go down his chest. Yeah, that's the most aesthetically pleasing chain ever, bro. Especially for like a masculine figure. It's like very masculine. Like I don't know about it, but it's just so masculine. Like I rock with it. But so it was a great day. We going to the top. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. I'm gonna bring my supporters with me. Y'all just recognizing game. Y'all just recognizing real. Real recognize real. We gotta stick together, chat. We gotta stick together. My supporters, everybody, we gotta stick together. So go and subscribe, go and like. So I'm bringing y'all with me. I'm bringing y'all with me for the come up. It's Chromeheartgabe. We going to the top. I'm out.